do, and it still struck. Woo!
Come on! Yeah! Come on! Short bit! Come on!
So if you guys ever wonder what's like behind the scenes of like a fill shot,
Why are you pointing the camera at me?
this is behind the scenes of a fill shot.
Oh, behind the scenes of fill shot. Yeah.
Fill shot here. Alright, vlog. Leo's just going in for me.
Let's get this bread, bro. Oh, you know what it is. Like, bring on this. Hit it! Yeah! Orale! Orale! Come on, ball! Yeah! You know what it is? Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Come on! Yeah! Serpent! Hoo-ah! Hit it! Yeah! Come on! On it!
Look.
Go! You know what it is! Black and yellow, black and yellow!
Individual results, please take the time to review those. Thank you.
I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
If you had to live with one teammate,
Kai. Oh wait, no. Wait, what's the question?
if you had to live with one teammate for the rest of your life, who wouldn't it be?
Okay, yeah, Kai.
Okay. Who wouldn't it be?
Él.
Oh. Kai.
Kai.
That guy, right there.
Hoo-ah! Come on, man! Hit it! Yeah! Third school, third strike! Three, baby! Hit me! Sure! What? Nice shot, Jordan! Justin. Oh! Hey, I'm DJ. What up? We got ourselves an honor.
How many in a row is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is explosive coming up. That's explosive. Oh!
This guy is so good.
Hook, you hook!
What did I say?
On the real side.
Real strike.
Be nice, guy! Ball. What do you say? Go! Terry! Oh, bounce it again! Yeah! Come on, Julian!